Hey tubers, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. I'm Kevin Lehner, and if this is your first time here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down there below. I think it's over here. And don't forget to click that bell or ding dong that bell so you know every time we post, so you get notified, okay? Alright, so today we're going to talk about which is the best affiliate program to choose to make money with. Okay, so stick around, we'll be right back in just a moment and we'll get started on this, okay? Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What I want to talk to you today was about what's the best affiliate program to choose to make money with, or which one or which type. Actually, there's several different types. So let's go ahead and jump right in this and see what we have to offer here. Okay. All right. First, we'll go up here and we have a site that tells us the best affiliate networks, 19 of them anyway, for 2018. There's several different kinds. Now, it depends on what you want. If you're looking for cost per sale, that's just where you sell the product and then you get a certain percentage of the cost of the sale on that. And then there's also cost per action, and that includes like clicking on links, impressions, form submits, sign-ups, registrations, opt-ins, that kind of thing like that. So it depends also too on what type that you want to do too. So those are the two types pretty much right there. And there's others out there too, but these are pretty much the prevalent ones anyway. Now, there's several different ones here. A lot of people have heard of these. ClickBank is one, and Terra Leads, Wide Markets, affiliate CJ by Conversant, Rakuten, Share a Sale, Amazon, of course. A lot of people have heard of Amazon. And then there's Crack Revenue, Commission Factory. That's a pretty popular one as well. There's the eBay. Everybody knows about eBay. And Avangate, or Avangate, I can't pronounce it just right, but there it is anyway. Flex Offers, and there's Avant Link, Ad Combo, Rev Media, Revenue Wire, I don't know if I pronounced this one right, Olavivo, and each one has different products and so on and so forth. Just to help you. You can check them all out. This is at highpayingaffiliateprograms.com. So coming back though, what it comes down to too is what product do you want to sell? All right. Well, there's three main categories. Of the three top categories, probably the most competitive, but still the three best nonetheless. That is health, wealth, and relationships. Those three categories. So if you pick a product in any of those three categories to either sell for a commission or to do for like cost per action, CPA clicks, or whatever, you're sure to probably make money in those three niches. Those are the three best ones. But any product will sell that's out there. I mean, as long as there's a demand for it. Okay, so what you want to do first, you want to make sure that you have your correct funnel made up. You want to have a good front-end product. And a front-end product is usually something that you either offer for free or a very low-cost front end. You may make, for example, on a low cost, if it sells for $15, you might make $7 or $8 off of that, and that's good for a front-end product. But what you really want to be concerned about is the back-end product. Are there back-end sales there, where there are higher ticket products, so you can make more money on each sale? And you have to make sure that your funnel is good and that people will walk through your funnel, and if they'll buy your front end product, chances are they may buy the back end product as well, and that your funnel leads them into that. And of course, you want to get them on your email market list too, so that you can market to them as well, because that's where people say that the money is at. The money is in the list, because once they're on your email marketing list, then you can, and they trust you and they've gotten to know you and they like you, they'll more than likely purchase from you when you give them a product that you think they might be interested in. They'll be more apt to purchase that because they know you. Okay? So you want to make sure that you have a good front end, and you want to have some high ticket back end products where you can make bigger money. Because if you have just the front end product, for example, if a front end product is selling for 20 bucks and you want to make 1,000 of those, you're going to have to sell 500 of those, roughly, somewhere in that range. 500 of those front end products just to make that $1,000. So that's why you want the back end ticket products to be higher, pay higher, and now so that you make better money in that case. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you today. Now on the cost per action sites, now it works a little bit different. You get people to click on a link, and you can make money just from a click, or like I said, filling out a form or getting a sign up with them, or into all the way up to purchasing as well. There's probably a profit for you in that as well. But it just depends really on what you want to do, how you want to sell it, but you just want to make sure that you're in one of those three popular markets: the health, wealth, or relationships. You know, dating sites seem to all do quite well because there's so many of them out there. And then the health niche, because everybody's always looking for a way to lose weight, or to get healthier in some way or fashion or another. Maybe by eating better, or there's some product or some drink or something that helps them to lose weight or helps them to feel better, and so on and so forth. So that's a good niche. And then there's the wealth niche, which is the one I'm into. I'm an affiliate marketer as well, as if you've watched some of my other videos, you know that. Which, by the way, I'll have the link down below for my #1 recommended business, which is an affiliate business. You can check that out too at the link below. It's at mentorwithkev.com. Down below you'll see a link for that, and you can click on that and check that out as well. Alright, so that's kind of what I had for you today. I just wanted to give you some ideas on what affiliate programs to click on, which are the best you think, whatever, and for yourself, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just wanted to touch base with you today. Thanks for coming to the channel. Again, if you haven't, click the subscribe button down there, tick the little bell, ding dong the bell, what I usually like to say, so that you can get notified of our next time we post. Okay, alright, so thanks for coming. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye bye now.